Hello all, I hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing one of the most requested my mom's recipe of dal makhni. For that I have taken 1 bowl of black whole urad dal. Friends, the quantity shown here is sufficient for 3 to 4 people. Please add a handful of rajma, red kidney beans. Please wash it nicely and let it soak overnight. Friends, the recipe that I am showing today is absolutely simple and easy to cook. We will make restaurant style dal makhni with simple ingredients. The dal has soaked the water nicely, so we will start the cooking now. Please take the mixer grinder and add 2 big tomatoes chopped roughly to the grinder. Please add 1 roughly chopped onion, an inch of ginger, 12 to 14 pods of garlic, 1 green chilli chopped roughly. Please make the fine paste and do not add any water while making the paste. Now please add the dal along with the water to the pressure cooker. In total, please add 4 bowls of water to the pressure cooker. Please add the tomato, onion, ginger, garlic paste to the pressure cooker and give it a stir. Please add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Add a pinch of asafoetida hing. Here I am adding 1 big spoon of mustard oil. If you do not have mustard oil, then use any other cooking oil. Give everything a nice stir. Now please keep the pressure cooker on the gas stove and let the dal cook. Let it pressure cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. After cooking for about 20 minutes on a low flame, our dal is ready now. Let us check if the dal is properly cooked. For that, we will press the dal with our fingers. It should mash properly. In case your dal is not properly cooked, then please give 1 more whistle on a low flame. Take a teaspoon of butter in a pan and add a teaspoon of ghee so that the butter doesn't burn. Add a pinch of hing, asafoetida, half a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. Let the jeera crackle and add about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. It is just to give the color. Please add the dal to the pan now. Now please let the dal simmer on a low flame for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now little bit mash the dal with the ladle. While your dal is simmering for 15-20 minutes, please do stir it in between, otherwise the dal will burn. If the dal is looking too thick, please add a bowl of water to the dal. Let the dal cook slowly on a low flame. The more it will cook, the more creamy it will become. वो बोलते हैं ना, दाल को धीरे धीरे घुल जाने दो. After 15-20 minutes, please switch off the gas stove and add about 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now please add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream or malai. Please stir it nicely before adding to the dal. Please remember that you have to add the cream after putting the gas stove off. Give it a stir. Now our dal makhni is ready. Please garnish it with fresh coriander leaves or kasuri methi. See friends, how easy and simple it was to cook restaurant style dal makhni at home. Next time, whenever you want to eat dal makhni, you can easily prepare it at home. Enjoy your dal makhani with rice or garlic naan. Many new simple, easy and healthy recipes uploading soon. Please make sure to subscribe my channel so you get notified as soon as any recipe gets uploaded.